Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming basic prerequisites: a compatible phone, an updated Google app, and an active Google account. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is on so the assistant can verify settings and download components. Now open the Google app or long press the Home button to launch Assistant. This triggers the onboarding flow. You're taking these steps first, so the service can register your device and voice model before we configure hands-free activation and personalization. Next, you'll grant microphone and location permissions because the assistant needs to hear you and provide contextually relevant answers. Once permissions are set, run voice match so Google learns your voice. Say the training phrases clearly and naturally. Then choose language preferences, link services like calendar and music, and enable personal results so the assistant can read reminders and messages. These details matter because accurate voice recognition and proper permissions make interactions faster and more private. Finally, enable the Hey Google hot word so you can use the assistant hands-free, toggle hot word detection, and allow background listening. Test with simple queries, then create routines like commute or good night to automate tasks. Make sure Do Not Disturb rules won't block important notifications. If something fails, check the microphone, clear the Google app cache, or retrain voice match. Those fixes resolve most problems. With this complete, your phone responds reliably when you speak and automates daily tasks efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.